Hey, what's up, guys? Sammy again here. Let's continue with the second part of our small casino. In the first part, uh, I've made it a simple roulette machine or roulette console that it use random as main function. And now we have to change the structure of our program. Let's be a little bit object oriented. As you see here, I've changed the project to the SpringBoot application. It was a Maven project, and I've just add a Spring Boot dependency and change the main class, and it's right now a Spring Boot application. Okay, and let's see here, it's as a standard. I have here index HTML page. If I'm clicking here, this is what you see. You have a field to type number and amount to bet. For example, I want to put on number 10 and for $25. Okay, 1 2 3 4 property. Okay, and here, because I don't like to write HTML code, I have it here on my GitHub page. I'm going to link it under this on description also, and it's really simple, nothing special. I have here just placeholder. You see here I have here, these are the placeholder with other words, variables number 1 and 2, and later I'm going to fill these fields up with what should be. Okay, this is our front end. Yes, this is it. Okay, and now let's bind it to our back end. Let's see how it's work. Here I'm not making separate packages. I'm just going to continue that. I'm going to make a class. I'll name it as game, for example. Nothing changed, just I'm converting our variables. There I've used double, but here I'm using integer, and just the same. I'm not going to change anything. And I had also int number, int roulette number was that. I have integer result error, and it's because we want to pick a number between 0 and 36, and that's why here is a type of array, and here integer bit amount. That's it. These are in the old version we had also choice, win, lose, spin. I don't want to confuse you, that's why this is okay. And here just I'm going for a setter and getter, and IntelliJ is going to help us. Control A, hit enter, and here give me also a toString. Also right click, generate toString, and like this. And now here just this is a simple standard class in Java, and now I want to make just a method. I'm making a method just to start the game, and when I'm saying start the game, I mean pick a random number. Okay, and for that thing I'm making a method for public void start game, it can also I am be able to make a void method, also integer, because it's going to give a number back. You are free to do what you want. I'm going this way, and after that I want to show you several ways of implementation. And now here I'm going for a random with a generator, and it's new random. It's just making random, and here I'm saying my roulette number is a generator.next int 37, because I want a 36 number and it's zero language. Okay, this give me a roulette a number. Okay, this small piece of method, we should call it the beginning of the game. Okay, and now let's see. Simple class, and now I want to make another class and say game controller, for example, game controller. Game controller is just controller, as you know. In some cases it can be also REST controller, but I want to show you here to see what we are doing. Okay, here I'm making also a simple method. Home, and I need parameters here, and my parameters in SpringBoot application can be also like this: request param, requested param, or your value, sorry, value, I'm saying value tile1, because I have their tile in my front end, and it's required also false. You can also remove this, but I wanna have it a string tile numero 8. Okay, here a string is okay. I'm copy this again, paste it, 2 2. Okay, I have a radio button and a submit button. For those two I'm taking other two, and I'm saying for this one, because that's I'm saying now here name it as 4 here, 4 here, okay, what's this? Let me see. It's 5. Okay, for the number, for the math type, I mean here, here for this one is the radio button. Okay, and that thing I'm saying it like this because I'm named it as math type in all of my videos. Required also false, and a string name it is as math type. And here I'm going also for model, because I have to deal with front end also. Okay, here I'm going to close my parentheses, and I'm closing my parentheses, and after that what I'm doing it's just a method. What I'm doing, what you're doing. Okay, Now let's switch case. I want also a condition. Like this. No. Here give me switch statement, switch, put my master, the radio button. After that, just case plus is just the one case that we have is plus, and in that condition, and that's this one. If you filled a number, for example, you want a number 10 and bet for 10 euros, in this case, okay, we are at this position, and now we wanna say what happened if you click there. It should. Okay, we have here a string. You see, I'm talking about learning. It's easy to me. Make it integer, int, boom, 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 finito. No. Express, I'm doing that. That's a string. That's a string. We have to make it deal with numbers. Okay? You know, you have to cast it. It's repeating to you, and it's just a method to learn. Let me say that. Okay? And now we have here to do some things. And what's that? Here I'm saying when it happened, make an instance of my game class. Let me new game, and here now, oops, here now I have access to all of methods of that class. Okay, and now what I want to do, I want to start the game first of all, because you know that Java is line by line code, executing line after other one, number 20, 21. Okay, and now I'm hitting start game method. In this position we have a number, we have a random number. Okay, let me show you. Let me just complete it a little bit. It's just starting the game. Okay, and now I want to say, okay, starting the game. Okay, but how you want to starting the game? We have here two fields. We have, first of all, we have to get the two input of our user. One is number and one amount. And how we are doing to do that? I'm saying here, look, we have there in our class set amount, bet amount, and we have here setter and getter for those. Okay, and there I'm going to say game dot set bet amount. Let me see, set bet amount, and that's bet amount is which one? This is the first one, this is the second one, and if I'm going to my index page, this is the first one, this is the second one, variable 1. Okay, and now here I'm saying tal number 1, but it say this is a string and you have to use integer. Okay, just parsed int, you know that, huh? But I want first to finish it, after that cast all of them. And the next one I'm saying set the number. Okay, set the number. Actually, I have to say set first the number, but it doesn't matter. Set number, and set number tal 2. Okay, but now our problem is pricing. How you get your price? We can make it in several ways. Sorry, here in our setter and getter we are be able to set and get what we want. But I'm going for another approach. Let me say here, just I don't like that red lines. I'm saying int tr integer dot parse int. Here I'm putting tal 1 and I'm saying this is ta, and copy tal 2 tal 2. Okay, tal 2 also tal 2, and here I'm going for 2. But I want to say about the pricing, I'm making here conditions. I'm saying here if you saw it in the last video, but now just we have to make that piece of code, break it to small pieces and put them in a Spring Boot application everywhere. What is necessary? Okay, I'm saying if our roulette number, and that's game.get roulette number, and you know that because in Java when we want to get something from other class we have to use get. Yeah, if that number is just equal to get number, with other word, you choose 10, incoming number is 10, boom, you win. Okay, and here I'm making here a variable, I'm naming it as total, and here I'm saying the rules of how you get your price. Get bet amount, money what you put in, times 36. Okay, plus the money what you had before is 500 euros in our case. Get total, and here I'm closing it. It say your amount, for example, you put 10 euro here, 10 times 36 plus the money what you had. And what you do here, model dot add attribute, model dot add attribute, number 2 was that, number 2, and what you are putting there, just total. Okay, and here I have to return first. Let me see if I can. Here I'm saying not here, return index.html. Okay, index.html. Let me just test it. let me test it. Local has 8080. Number 10. I'm putting 10 euro. Okay, nothing happened. Why nothing happened? Because this is a winning position. And now let's continue it. Okay, and here after that show me game dot set total, and set it again with new variable the total, and here give me else statement. Else here I'm saying if that's not happened, total now this time 2 is equal to game dot let me copy that. No, it's easier to write it because get total minus bet amount that bet oops and that get bet amount like this, and in that position what's that? Yes, that's okay. I'm saying model dot add attribute. Here I'm going for variable number 1 and put total 2 and say game dot set total with new total 2. Okay, and now for myself also give this out total 2. Where is it? Total 2 and here is checkpoint total and let me check it. That's okay. Let's see what I had. Okay, here I'm saying because break it default give it also to me and break it again. Yeah, break it again. Let's see what we have done. It seems okay. Local host number 13 25 what happened Almal? Okay, let me check it. Let me check it here. Number variable 2 get number. Let me see. Get number. We have to make a variable for that. And what should I do here? Yes. Do you know what I'm saying? Here I wanna say model dot add attribute. What we want now, we want to see incoming number also. Add attribute. How I'm getting that? I'm saying game 1 is equal to new. So like this, new game, but not new game. I wanna get that number, and what I'm saying this int game 3 is equal to game dot get roulette number. Get roulette number, and here int game 4 is equal to game dot get number. Here model dot attribute. Now here I want, see, I have here 3 and 4. See, you see, and now number 4, let's see, 4, and put there game number 3. Let's see if it works. Yeah, what do you think? I think one more fault somewhere. I'm going to clear it. I want to open this one. Local host. Let's see, number 13, 10 euros. Nothing. Let me check. Why nothing? Oh yeah. What do you think? I got damn it. Get mapping. Let's be default. I'm saying God, what happened? Welcome to the programming world. Okay, I'm telling you, say yes. That's what I want. What's this? Winner? Okay. It seems we have to check our variables here. Okay, but let's see what I'm going to make here. 2 1 3 4. Okay. And here I'm going to remove this. Okay, I have here 4 variable. Okay, and here I'm saying I have here 4 variable here in my game controller. 1 2 3 4, that's no need. And I'm going to check my code again. It's okay. Game 2, and here I'm putting total total equal to get Betty mount model model number 3 I want to put here. Look, for total I'm putting number 3, and here for this one for total I'm putting 4. I know that, I'm telling you. And here I have I'm putting here number 1. Yeah, let's see. But I'm telling you, this is not secure. Now we are not doing something special, but this is really a problem. Okay, number 13, 25, and what happened? Could not parse as expression. Okay, no problem, baby. Your better mount. Is that okay for you? I think it's okay for. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Number 13. Stopwatch. Okay. Winner. Again winner. Number. But why I'm not getting number? Let me see. Oh baby, let me check you. Let me check you. Here, game 4. You see that? I'm telling you. This is 2 or 1? 2. No problem. We are checking. If it's not okay, other one. 4. Now maybe I'm not going to record to video for a time, for a while. No idea. Maybe. Okay. Here you see that it gives us a report. I'm going for number 13, putting 20 euros. Let's see. What happened? What happened, baby? you saying Alman? Wat zeg jij Alman? Wat zeg je Alman? Doe normaal. Number 10, 10 euro. Okay, number 10. I pick for number 10, but incoming number was number 19, and here is the remaining of my 500 euros, because here, as you see, here we have 500 euro as a beginning money. Okay, but what's helper? Helper. I'm saying remaining money. Okay, let's take a look. Oh, it's not showing now. Okay, I have to run it. Let's see. I think we have some issue somewhere. I think I think this is never used. And why I've made it? Because it has also even and odd numbers. In the next approach, I know that we are able to remove it right now. But in next approach, we have also even and odd numbers, red or black numbers. I think it's gonna to be have the third part also, because let's now check it. I'm going for 13 euros for 25. Okay, but I've chosen for 13. It shows you see I've chosen for number 13, but it shows number 25. Let's again I'm choosing for number 13, and I'm putting 15 euros on bet. You see, it's getting number. Let me see. When I'm sending the number there, let's here at this position, let's make again new game. Okay, and now again test it. I wanted the result here, not from the first one. I think we have to test it. It has some issue with number 13. Let's see what's that. Localhost number 13, button one for 13, 13, 25. Yes, you see, 25, 13, 13, 13, 13, 80, number 80, winner 0, number 80. What's number 80? Crazy. let's see what we got. We have some logic problem after the second round. After the second round, it's picking bet amount as a number in the second approach. Okay, what it's going to say. Here I'm starting the game. Oh, you let me. Here I'm choosing two. Some logic. We have some logic after the second round. Really nice, huh? And let's see. Let's accidentally in a real casino you found some machine like this, and you know what's the error or what's the problem. It's gonna be nice. Let's check it again and see if we have the same issue. Number 13 with 13. Okay, this is okay, but this one 13 with, yes, it seems okay. 13 90, yes, now is okay. You see, here we had some issue, and now it's okay. And now what it's saying, now we are be able to play the game. But when I'm saying front end, this is not front end. This is just to show you how it's work. A front end is meaning just make it beautiful. This is, yeah, you know that. But this is how it's work. It's number 13, winner number is number 16, you lose the game, and here is your prize. Here is when you lose, this is your remaining money. But let's test, or it's coming one time. I want to see if it's working. If it's working, no, really no mood to. Okay, let's make now this is the base, of, okay, for the number. But let's make a method here. I'm telling you, we want now to make a method for the color. But let me check it out, the time of our record. Okay, no, I'm going to stop it right now, or wait me. Let's see, it's 39. Okay, let me make a method here. I'm going to game. I'm making a method to show is odd or even. Even numbers, modulo 2 should be 0. Okay, those numbers are even numbers. Okay, and just we are making a method here, boolean method. I'll name it as odd or even, and this method accept an integer, accept a number to it accept a number to return back, or that number even or odd is. Okay, and here we are saying boolean, for example, even. I'm assigning it to false. After that, and now we are going for our logic. If incoming number. If incoming number is equal to 0, I don't know, we are saying that 0 even true or not, but I think 0 is even, and assign it to true. And again, if incoming number modulo 2 is equal to 0, it means that's even, like number 2, like number 4, modulo 2 is 0. Okay, even true, and but if incoming number modulo 2 equal to 1, even false. It's just some false. Okay, return if. Okay, let's make other method. I'm really sleepy. I'm going to stop this video right here. We have to make part 3 also, and yeah, see you guys in the next video.